How to start e-commerce business for beginners. How to start an e-commerce business from scratch, 2022 free guide. The e-commerce business industry is exploding. How to start your own e-commerce business. Step 1. Research e-commerce business models. You can control the content marketing and branding on a focused product and focus the rest of your energy on driving sales by monetizing traffic. Step 2. Start e-commerce niche research. What to sell online, 21 product ideas that drive e-commerce sales. Step 3. Validate target market and product ideas. If you're not 100% sure what to sell, you can use affiliate marketing to validate your idea. Step 4. Register your e-commerce business and brand name. Your EIN is a bit like your business social security number. It's a unique number that identifies your business and helps you file important paperwork. Shop around until you find a vendor you want to do business with long term. This includes your e-commerce software, your shopping cart. E-commerce branding, 11 examples and 27 expert tips to help you build your brand online. 12 best business insurance options for e-commerce. Step 5. Finalize your e-commerce business plan. Now is a good time to step back and put your business plan on paper and determine your startup budget, loan needs and monthly expenses. How to make an e-commerce business plan for your startup. Step 6. Create your online store. Whatever design you chose needs to be compatible with your e-commerce software, too. If you're looking for a powerful Shopify theme to help turn visitors into buyers, Booster Theme may be a good option. Step 7. Attracting customers to your e-commerce store. Ready to start your online business? If you've got the elbow grease and time, you could launch a profitable online store for a few $100s per month.